Welcome everyone to today's episode of Tech Facom. This is your guy Damilola. So in today's lecture, we're going to look into the installation of React. So how can we install React into our project? And in this tutorial, now the React we're going to install is not going to be the ordinary React. We're going to install React with Vite. So React with Vite is, I often advise people, if you want to install React, you want to work with React, use the React with Vite. That one is very fast and has all the necessary packages you need for your project. They are all available there. So now, the first thing to do when you want to install React in your machine, if you don't have the package before, you need to go to the official website and download it. You need the Node package. So you need to go to the official website of the Node. Go to Node official website and download the Node in your machine. Download it to your machine and make sure it's already there in your machine, and then you can run your React app then. So how can you do this now? So now let's go over it step by step. So the first thing is to go to the official website of the Node. So I'm going to my browser now and I'll go to the official website of the Node. So I'll click on it. So here is the official website and this is what we need to download. Here is it here. So I'm not going to click on it because I already have it running in my device. I already have it running in my machine. So there's no need of me clicking on this one. But here is all you need to do. Just click on it, and once it's finished downloading, come to your file explorer and make sure you set it up in your machine. And once you are done with that part, go back to the text editor of your choice, anyone you're using. But in my own case here, I'm using a VS Code, so I'll go back to my VS Code. You can either use your VS Code or use your PowerShell or use your command prompt, anyone you want to use there. But in this tutorial, I'm going to run everything inside my VS Code. So now, the next thing we want to do now is we want to open the terminal. We are opening the terminal now. Is inside the terminal we're going to run and install our React. So now we want to open the terminal. So I'll open the terminal and my terminal is opening now. So after I open the terminal, I will navigate to the folder where I want my project to be. I will navigate to the folder where I want my project to be. So now, well, this is the folder that is available here, but this is not where I want my project. I don't want my project to be here. So I will go back a step. And I will still go back a step, and I want to go to the desktop. I want to go to the desktop folder. Oh, okay. I think that is wrong. I should still be inside HP. Okay. I'm going to my desktop. Okay, now inside my desktop, now the folder where I want it to be, I go there, I say cd into this folder for me. So it's inside this folder I want my project to be. I want my project to be inside this folder. So now the next thing to do now is to install our React. So this is how to install the React. We type npm create Vite, npm create Vite at latest and your app name, the name of your app. In my own case here, I'm using my React app, so that's what I'm using. And the reason why we are using this Vite latest here now, when we use this Vite latest, it's going to give us access to the latest version of Vite. So when we do this now, let's hit our enter. Well, this it may take a little while. And it must be fast. Depends on your network connection. So let's hold on for it. And after this one runs, it's going to give us another drop down, asking us a few questions, asking us which of the framework do we want to use. And well, we are using a React for this project. Yes, That's the name. So we are using a React. We are not using vanilla. We are not using Vue. We are using a React. So we select React. It's asking us which variant do we want to select. Well, we are using a JavaScript. So we're selecting JavaScript, and now done now. So our project has been installed. So the next thing to do now is to cd into our project. We are cd into our project, and what do we call it then? I call my React app. My React app. So I will cd into it. After I cd into it, I run npm install. I run npm install. So this also may take a little while, but once the npm has already been installed in my machine, boom. So my React app should be ready to run. My React app should be ready to run by then. So let's wait. It's loading now. So now our app is up and running. And to see it now, I'll go back to go here, and my folder is not available here. So I'll click on my file. I will come to add folder to workspace, and I will navigate to where the folder is being located, and my folder is inside my desktop. So for my desktop, I'll select it, and I will add it to my workspace, and here is it. It's available in my workspace. Here is my React app. So I will select it. Here is it. Here are the packages needed. So now we've installed this React app now. So let's load this React app in the browser, and let's see how it's going to be. So now this time around, now let's come back to our terminal and run npm run dev, and our React app should be running on ports. Let's see. Alright, it's loading. Shouldn't take that long. So it's coming good. Now our React app is running on port 5173. So we can copy this one, or we can follow the link. So it's going to open it in our browser, and we're going to see our React app. Here we go, guys. So now we successfully installed a React app into our machine, and it's running. So in the next tutorial, we're going to look at how we can edit all these things to our own taste and start working with our React app. So thank you guys for your time. See you guys in the next video.